Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing your semifinals in Rizal. So, as I have mentioned, repeatedly mentioned, that your semifinals will be an output-based exam. So, what output should you do for your semifinals exam? So, you will be making a trailer for one of the novels of Dr. Serizal, which is the El Filibusterismo. So, the objective of the semifinal exam is to create a captivating trailer for El Filibusterismo that effectively summarizes the key themes, characters, and plot points of the novel by Jose Rizal. So, by now, since you already discussed El Fili during your senior high school years or even junior high school years, um, you already know the summary or the main theme of the El Filibusterismo. So, yan yung dapat na maipakita ninyo sa trailer ninyo. Ano yung kabuuhang mensahe, ano yung kabuuhang theme ng El Filibusterismo. So, for the instruction, of course, you should know or you are familiar with the storyline of the El Filibusterismo. So, you know who are the characters, what are the themes, and significant or important parts of the El Filibusterismo. So, I am giving you the freedom to decide on what style, uh, what genre, what tone, and key scenes that you need to include in your trailer. So, you should also consider putting some elements such as background music, narration para mas maintindihan ng mga viewers, dialogue snippets, and of course some visual effects or yung color grading na tinatawag para mas makatotohanan na parang kinuha siya or na-produce siya during the um, time of Rizal. So, medyo makalumang color grading. Pero pwedeng ganyan. For the script writing, I am giving you the freedom with regard to your script. So, yun nga, since alam na ninyo, may idea na kayo what are the main points or main theme of the Elfili. So, dun nyo ibabase yung trailer script ninyo. For visual and editing, you must gather or create visuals that represent the scenes and the characters. So, what should I expect here? Syempre, damit kayo. I mean, medyo may cosplay part dito kasi nakadamit dapat kayong pang 80s. Yung simple damit lang like long sleeve na puti, simple coat, just like how paano pumorma si Rizal. So, ganyan. And yung mga pormahan nung panahon ni Rizal. And of course, yun nga, sabi ko, kung mai-adjust nyo yung color grading ng video ninyo para mas magbukang tinake siya nung panahon ni Rizal, much better. So, yeah. Submission, when should this exam be submitted? You should submit the video by April 27, 2024. That is Saturday. Last Saturday of the month of April. Again, April 27. How should you submit the trailer? So, gaya ng pinagawa ko sa Contemporary World, you will submit it through Facebook. So, i-upload ninyo yung video sa Facebook, and then in the caption, you will write the title of your trailer, your group number, your section, and the group members. So, again, do not put the names of those students who did not help in this video because they do not deserve a grade. Medyo maki-work itong trailer na to. So, I need everyone's cooperation in this exam. Not necessary na lahat ng kagrupo ninyo andun. Kasi syempre may cameraman, may editor, may scriptwriter. Pero kung kailangan nyo ng iba pang character, syempre kailangan na andun sila. So, it's up to you kung sino yung mga isasali ninyo sa characters ng trailer ninyo. So again, this will be posted on Facebook. Make sure the privacy of your video is in public. And do not forget to tag me on Facebook. I'll just put it here. Okay. So, here are the rubrics for grading your trailer video. So, for the content, of course, 40% of your grade goes to the content. And these are the elements for the content: accuracy in representing key themes, characters, and plot points of El Filibusterismo; clarity and coherence in storytelling; next, originality and creativity in interpretation. Presentation, 30%. So, dito, gagradean ko yung visuals, yung editing, and yung soundtrack. So, visuals, kung paano ninyo in-edit yun, yung cinematography, etc. Yung pag-edit, like, yung transition, maganda ba yung transition ng video ninyo, synchronize ba siya doon sa script and doon sa subtitle, kung may subtitle man kayong nilagay. Soundtrack, you used an appropriate music as a background music for your trailer. Engagement, 20%. So, effectiveness in capturing the viewer's attention and maintaining interest. So, hindi naman ako magpapakontest na padamihan ng likes as long as this is posted on Facebook and then nakapublic siya para maraming makapanood, maraming mabighani sa acting skills ninyo. So, yun. And sa creativity ninyo, of course. Emotional resonance, ability to evoke emotions and empathy towards the characters, and relevance, if your story, your plot is really relevant in the storyline of El Filibusterismo. For technical aspects, 10%. So, maayos yung audio, wala ba masyadong ingay, naiintindihan yung dialogue ng mga characters. So, yun. So, for the groupings, para hindi na kayo mahirapan pa na maghanap na panibagong grupo na naman, we will use the groupings doon sa exam ninyo for contemporary world. So, para same group members, mas madali na maka-coordinate kasi nakakausap na ninyo sila. So, that's all for your semifinals. If you have questions or clarifications, just send a message sa group chat natin. So, I will show you some sample of the video trailer that I am talking about. So, here it is.
Sa likod ng gusaling sagrado, may mga sekretong nakasarado. Ibabaon sa lupa ang hustisyang nawala. Ang kalangitan ay niyakap ng madilim ng mga pangarap ng mga magkalimot panggap at mga sakim ng paghangad. bayan kong sinilangan, puno na ng kasakiman. Ikaw ng pangamba, bulag sa mga problema.
Pansinin, naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tamang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang nasarili. Justice Salve Maria! Ayaw niyo sumayaw? Ayaw niyo sumayaw? Ang dali-dali sumayaw! Ganyahin mo ako! Ganyahin mo! Walang mangyayari kung sila'y papansinin mo.
So that's the sample of the trailer. So just like what I have shown you, your trailer, after the trailer, you will insert the list of members and then yung role nila sa video. So yan. If you have questions or clarifications, just send me a message sa group chat natin. Okay? Thank you everyone. I hope you understand your semifinals exam in Rizal.